7 here with Dirt Nap Bros, and this is my venison tongue recipe. Alright, prior to this, I boiled these for 3 hours in black pepper, juniper berries, cardamom, and a little bit of pepper and parsley. After the 3 hours, you take them out, you put them in the freezer for about 30 minutes, and then you can start peeling the tongue. And the reason I use those spices is because I want a Nordic style, from like the Scandinavian countries, usually with reindeer tongues. As you can see here, you just peel off all the skin on the outside of the tongue and the taste buds. So after you peel them back off, you throw them back in for another hour or two, and then you back in the same seasoning, and then let them boil. After that, they're ready to go. Take them out, cut them into little slices, and you can serve them on your crackers on a charcuterie board, or just eat them how it is, little bite-sized tongue pieces. It resembles lingua, which is a Mexican food. If you've had lingua tacos, that's what you're having.